Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Clips. My name is Emily. I am very happy, very excited, and very proud of you for learning English today. If you are a beginner, this lesson is made especially for you. Please relax your body. Please relax your mind. Learning English can be easy, calm, and enjoyable.
Hello, my friends. My name is Michael. Many people believe that English is difficult, but English becomes easy when you learn slowly and step by step. Today, we will speak slowly and clearly. We will repeat many useful sentences. You can pause the video and repeat with us anytime.
Today's lesson is about English at the hotel. Hotels are very common when we travel. We need English to check in. We need English to ask questions. We need English to solve problems politely.
By the end of this video, you will feel more confident, more comfortable, and more relaxed when speaking English at a hotel.
Before we begin, let me explain how to use this video correctly. Please listen carefully. Do not rush. Do not worry about making mistakes.
First, listen to the sentence carefully. Second, pause the video. Third, repeat the sentence out loud and slowly.
If you do not understand something, please listen again. Listening many times is very important when learning English.
Remember, this video is not a test. This video is your English friend. You can learn without fear.
Now, let us start with a very simple question. What is a hotel? A hotel is a place where people stay when they travel.
People sleep in hotels. People eat in hotels. People rest and relax in hotels.
Hotels have rooms. Hotels have beds. Hotels have bathrooms.
Hotels also have workers. Hotel workers help guests every day.
Now, let us learn some very important hotel words. These words are common and useful.
The first word is guest. A guest is a person who stays in a hotel.
The second word is reception. Reception is the front desk of the hotel.
The third word is reservation. A reservation means you booked a room before arriving.
Please remember these words carefully. You will hear them many times in this lesson. Now, imagine this situation. Slowly. You are traveling to another city. You are tired after a long trip. You are holding your suitcase.
A taxi stops in front of a hotel. You pay the driver. You step out of the taxi.
You look up and see the hotel name. You feel a little nervous, but you take a deep breath.
You walk inside the hotel calmly and confidently.
You open the hotel door. You enter the lobby. The lobby is big, clean, and quiet.
You see chairs and tables. You see people speaking softly. You see a large desk in front of you.
This desk is called the reception desk. This is where you speak English. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel.
Thank you. How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you. How may I help you?
I have a reservation.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
Sometimes names are difficult to hear. Spelling your name is very helpful.
Could you please spell your last name?
Yes. J as in John, O as in orange, H as in hotel, N as in name.
Thank you very much for spelling your name. I found your reservation. You booked one room for 3 nights.
Yes, that is correct.
You booked a non-smoking room.
That is perfect. Thank you. Here is my passport.
Thank you very much.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, please sign this form.
Okay, I will sign it now. Which floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 4th floor.
Is it far from the elevator?
No, it is very close. Here is your key card. This card opens your room.
Thank you very much.
Please do not lose this card.
I will keep it safe. Excuse me, is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free.
What is the password?
The password is written here.
Now, you go to your room. You open the door slowly.
You see a clean bed. You see a window. You feel relaxed and comfortable.
Hello? I have a problem in my room.
I am sorry to hear that.
There is no hot water.
We will fix it immediately.
Excuse me, my room is very noisy.
I understand. Would you like to change rooms?
Yes, please. Could I have extra towels, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. Could I also have a blanket and a pillow?
Yes, I will send them to your room.
Hello. I would like to order room service.
Certainly. What would you like?
I would like soup, rice, and tea.
Your order will arrive soon.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 7 in the morning.
Thank you very much. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11.
Can I check out late?
Yes, but there is a small fee.
You sleep well. You feel comfortable.
The hotel feels like home.
Good morning. I would like to check out.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, very much. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you for everything.
You are very welcome.
Now let us review some important sentences.
I have a reservation. I need help. Thank you very much.
You are doing great. Be proud of yourself.
Keep practicing every day.
English becomes easy with practice.
Do not give up. You are improving.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye and take care.